Alright, we're cutting this down. This back bumper used to be the front bumper. I put a cut in it from the first video, for the long recovery video or short recovery video. This bumper was actually the front. I slapped it on the back, made a new bumper for the front, shortened that one up a bit, got some ground clearance, and then added a little bit of something on the front there. But we're catching and scooping up sticks, and they're all burying up inside here, so I gotta trim this down, shorten it up, probably about half. And then ran into some trouble in our recovery video. 4x4 pulled us out, farm truck, blew a drive shaft. OEM drive shaft, tore up pretty good. I pulled out the one from the front. Clearly that's not going to do any good anymore. But yeah, these things take a beating. That's why I pulled this one. Maybe grease in there doesn't seem like a great idea. It'll pick up dirt, but again, it's a toy. It's not meant to be pulling around 30 to 80 pounds. So as we keep breaking things, we'll keep upgrading. So yeah, this is still good. Diff is good. Gears are good. Nice and rolly. Nice and smooth. Oh, transfer case is loose. Put some more Loctite on that. Bent to fairing. Have to do some work. Put some nuts on there because the sheet metal, it's not going to last long. Sheet copper. Got my motor in there. It's taking a beating and it loves it. But right now we're gonna tighten this. Look at where we're gonna put that nice little hydraulic pump. We have yet to test it and buy the electronics to run it. And I'm not sure if I can janky this up and run it off my brushless setup here. But we're gonna try.